World's Guide.
The Andromeda-Milky Way collision, which is predicted to occur in the distant future, will have various points of interest and consequences. However, it's essential to note that these events are projected to happen billions of years from now, so they won't directly impact humans in the foreseeable future. Here are some key points about the collision. 1. Timeframe. The collision between the Andromeda Galaxy, M31, and the Milky Way Galaxy, our galaxy, M33, is expected to occur in about 4.5 billion years. This is roughly the same time frame when the Sun is predicted to exhaust its nuclear fuel and evolve into a red giant, potentially affecting life on Earth. 2. Galactic collision. The term collision can be somewhat misleading. When galaxies collide, it doesn't necessarily mean that individual stars collide. Instead, the gravitational forces between the galaxies cause them to interact and eventually merge over a long period. Stars are so far apart within galaxies that they mostly pass by each other during these events. 3. Galactic merger. The Andromeda-Milky Way collision will result in the eventual merger of the two galaxies into a single, larger elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy may be nicknamed Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. 4. Impact on solar system. Despite the galactic collision, the chances of individual stars within the solar systems of either galaxy colliding are exceedingly low. The solar systems will likely be significantly disturbed but not necessarily destroyed. The fate of our Sun and its planetary system is uncertain, but it's possible they will become part of the new merged galaxy. 5. Changes in night sky. Over the course of billions of years, the night sky as observed from Earth will change dramatically. Stars from the Andromeda Galaxy will become more visible in our night sky as the galaxies approach each other. 6. Potential for new star formation. The collision will trigger the formation of new stars as gas and dust from both galaxies interact and compress. This could lead to a burst of star formation in the merged galaxy. 7. Black hole interaction. Both galaxies are believed to have supermassive black holes at their centers. When these black holes eventually merge, they may release a significant amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves, which could be detected by future observatories. 8. Scientific opportunities. The collision will provide a unique opportunity for astronomers to study the dynamics of galactic mergers and their long-term effects. It will also offer insights into the behavior of galaxies under extreme gravitational forces. In summary, while the Andromeda-Milky Way collision is a fascinating cosmic event, it is an event that occurs on an astronomical timescale and won't have any direct impact on human civilization. It's a reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe and the vastness of cosmic timescales.
World's Guide.